A singer in a smoky room, the smell of wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they can share the